today's show is, I think they're blue jays, and my squirrel, and my dove right there. So there's a few blue jays actually. There's one two doves. Okay. Two doves, and I think there's three blue jays, but there are two of them are in the tree somewhere. So that is my show today. Like, I don't really watch TV. I watch animals, and after my workout, this is my display, my show. Like, I earned this. I earned this show. I have two doves, three blue jays, and a squirrel. The duck was earlier. And I think we might get a few more blue jays and doves. We'll see. But I love it. I love how they show up for me after I work out. Thank you for stopping by. Peace and blessings be with you.